Hey everyone, it's Alicia at Vertium, and today I'm joined by Dan Carbone, our owner and CEO.
Hey everybody, how's it going?
So in this video, Dan and I are going to be talking about desktop apps. So that's something that we can do here for you at Vertium. And Dan, my first question is, why would someone want to create a desktop app?
Well, there's various reasons. Obviously, they want to be able to have some sort of business process closer to their fingertips on their desktop rather than going out to a website and working on a process there. Like maybe a CRM, they want that a little bit closer when the phone rings. They want to be able to click on something right there versus going out and doing it online. So those are some of the main reasons. We basically build progressive web apps, which is basically same code base that can be applied to desktop, website, and mobile apps. So it's kind of cool because we can build one and deploy it to all the different platforms. So that's probably the biggest difference in us is we can kind of hit all the various types of platforms. In this case, we're talking specifically desktop apps. But yeah, it is definitely something that Vertium can offer and do for you.
Okay, wonderful. And let's walk through the process a little bit. So if I come to Vertium and I want to get a desktop app developed, what does it look like? What's the process step by step?
Sure, yeah, we go through a technology discovery session. From there, we wireframe it, which is basically like pencil sketch drawings of how it's going to look. And then we actually write in like functionally how it's going to work. And then once that's approved by the client, we then go through a series of sprint meetings, which happen every 2 weeks. And in those 2 weeks, we are continuously showing the client how it's working until it's complete, until the scope of the work is complete. And then we launch it into whatever app store or however they want the application to be launched.
So my last question then is time frame wise. Is there a specific time frame that it always follows, or does it kind of depend on when you need that desktop app launched?
The scope, which happens in the discovery, really kind of defines how long the build out will be. A build out could be anything as short as a month, which is rare. We rarely see anything done in a month. All the way up to, a year, just depending on how big and how much stuff is in there. But what we find is with the sprint cycles and using the agile process, the client can actually launch the app at any point during our sprint cycles. And then we just keep adding on features from there. So it really, a lot of it is dependent on what the client wants to see first versus second, third, and phases.
Okay, wonderful. Well, thank you so much for telling us a little bit more about that and the process. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, you're looking to get a desktop app developed, you can reach out to us, give us a call, find out more on vertium.com, and we will be working with you soon. We're excited about it. Thanks, Dan.
Take care, everybody.